When building a woodworking project, it's important to use a good quality glue on the glue joints. But after you screw the parts together, you'll notice you'll always get a little bit of glue squeezing out at the joint itself. But rather than wiping it away with a damp cloth, which most woodworkers do, what happens is you'll drive the glue into the grain of the wood. You want to avoid that. So what you want to do is scoop up as much of the glue as possible before you wipe it away. And all you need is a straw. You can use a paper straw, but I prefer the larger plastic straws. They're called smoothie straws. So take a pair of scissors and just snip the end off at a sharp angle like that. Then pinch it. You want to form this little spout, right? Just like that. And then all you're going to do is slide it along that joint. It'll scoop up almost all of that glue. Look at that. You can see it gets caught in the straw. You just wipe it off, then you use it again. If you come back and you see there's a little glue left, you can just wipe it down. And now with most of that glue wiped away and it has not had a chance to soak into the wood grain, it's ready to be finished with your stain.